Today I want to share with you guys how to redeem a gift card on MyPoints. MyPoints is a rewards program, kind of like Swagbucks. I've talked about that on my channel before. And here on my channel, Inside the Box, we talk about ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have, things that are in your box. And as I find ways like these reward programs and selling things on eBay and other ways that make money for me, I'm going to share those things with you guys. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and staying tuned if you're interested in that kind of stuff. So like Swagbucks, MyPoints lets you print coupons and take surveys and shop online to earn points to later redeem for gift cards. And I finally have earned enough points to redeem a $10 Amazon gift card, so I want to walk you guys through that process. So we're going to hop on my computer right now and I'll show you how to begin. So here we are on the home page of MyPoints. And if you guys haven't signed up for MyPoints yet, I will leave my referral link in the description box below so you can get here quickly. And up in the top right corner, you can see the points that I've earned, 1,675 points so far. And I've mainly earned these just from printing coupons and also for uploading my regular grocery receipts. So in later videos, I can go over ways to get points on these programs if you guys want to. But on the right side is this big orange redeem points button. We're going to click on that. So on this page, you can see all the gift cards you can redeem with your points. There's a lot of different restaurants and places to shop. Today, I'm going to focus on the Amazon gift cards. You can also sort these cards on the left by their card value, but today I'm interested in Amazon gift cards, so I'm going to click on this Amazon button. And over here on the left, it will let me know which gift cards I can afford right now. So I can afford all the way up to a $10 gift card, but I do not have enough points to receive a $15 gift card. So to summarize this paragraph on the right, it just lets you know the different types of things that are sold at Amazon that you could purchase with your gift card. It's letting residents of Canada know that this gift card will not work on Amazon.ca. And then there's also disclaimers that you can't transfer this gift card for cash. And then it lets you know that it can take up to 3 business days for you to receive your gift card. So I'm going to purchase this with MyPoints and it will be emailed to me is what I'm assuming. This is my first time doing this, but if it's like Swagbucks, that is what's going to happen. So I'm going to just continue to scroll down here. It wants my account info. Please enter your password to authorize this redemption. So if I want to redeem this, I need to type in my password that I used to sign up for MyPoints. So I'm going to do that right now. And of course, I'm going to black this out because I don't really want anyone taking my password. So I'm going to click Get Rewarded. Please confirm you're about to redeem. Oh, whoops. I'm glad it's doing this because I almost redeemed the wrong gift card. Okay. I don't want a $1 gift card. I wanted a $10 gift card. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm going to go up to the left and click on a $10 gift card because that's the amount I want. And I'm really glad it double checked that before I cashed in because I didn't want just a $1 Amazon gift card. So now I'm going to type in my password and get rewarded. Please confirm you're about to redeem for the following Amazon.com $10 gift card. So 1,580 points will be deducted immediately from my account and no returns accepted. So once I purchase this, I'm not getting those points back. I'm going to go ahead and confirm. So this pops up on Swagbucks too, but once you buy something, it gives you all these other promotions of things you can do, like this 33-day trial for Hulu, and I usually go through here and just hit no thank you, or I can just go up and hit the X. It says, congratulations, 1,580 points have been deducted from your account for this purchase. And if you look at the top right, you can see that my points balance went down to 95 points. We are currently processing your order. You will be notified via email when your order is ready. So I'll make sure to include this email in the video before I finish editing this video and post it on YouTube so you guys can see what that looks like. So I got the email. It said, cha-ching, MyPoints just sent you Amazon.com $10 gift card. I'm going to scroll down here to where it says click here. Click below to access your Amazon.com $10 gift card. Click here. So this takes you to MyPoints and it says to get your gift card, please enter your password below. This is the password that you use to log into your MyPoints account. So I'm going to keep this hidden, but I'm going to type in my password right now. That sent me my instant claim code, which I will also black out here because I don't want anyone stealing this $10 Amazon gift card. And then it says, do spend it all in one place. So to use this gift card code, when you're checking out on Amazon, there's a spot for a gift card and you just copy and paste that code in there. And this little spot here that says how to apply your gift card talks about that in more detail if you guys want to read that. So I got my gift card code and I can use it now. So that was a really user-friendly process, really simple to order that gift card, and I'm glad I even had that check to make sure I was ordering the right one because I made an error, as you guys saw. As I was going through this, it was easy to catch and easy to correct. So thank you for joining with me on this journey. If you guys like videos like this or want to know about more rewards programs, or if you like hearing what sells on eBay or finding different ways that you can make money from your home with the skills and tools you already have, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow along with my channel. Thank you everyone, take care, and I will catch you in the next video.